The Pelsue Fiber to the Home tent is one of the most versatile work tents on the market. It is designed to function in restricted spaces where other tents cannot fit. And on the other hand, it is able to expand up to 6 feet wide. It can be used for a variety of applications, from fiber to the home, to a trench tent, to an all-weather work tent. Being a part of Pelsue's all-weather tent series, the Fiber to the Home tent was designed for use in all seasons. The top of the tent is made with a special solar blocking material that will help keep the interior considerably cooler during warmer months, while the lower sides have transparent fabric to allow light in. The heavy-duty fabric is water, fire, and UV resistant, and the seams are sewn watertight, so you can stay protected from the elements. The tent's unique design allows you to squeeze between 2 trees, buildings, or other obstacles while still having a dry place to work. The Pelsue Fiber to the Home tent is proudly made in America with the highest quality materials to ensure the tent will provide you years of service. With its quick fold design, the tent can easily be set up by one person in less than 30 seconds. To set up the tent, spread out the tent so the poles are in the shape of an M on the ground. Grab the 2 poles near the middle and pull them up into a standing position so the black section is above you. Push each side out, one at a time, and set the tent on the ground where you want it. You can push the sides further apart or pull them closer together to adjust the width. For extra stability, you can extend the cords attached to both sides of the tent and stake them into the ground. The Pelsue Fiber to the Home tent has one of the largest windows of any tent on the market. You can roll up the windows on each side of the tent for increased airflow. Each end of the tent has a door that can be fastened with Velcro, so you can close it all the way or wrap it around an object like an OTA box on the side of a building while keeping out the elements. If you want the door open, you can roll the flaps to each end and fasten them to the sides of the tent. The Pelsue Fiber to the Home tent is extremely versatile. When fitting the tent into a restricted space, just pick up the tent holding onto each side and walk it into the area where you need to work. At the base of the tent, there are 2 flaps that can be rolled up so the tent can be placed over obstacles such as a retainer wall or hedge, or if you just want more air circulation. You now have a completely deployed Pelsue Fiber to the Home tent. Pelsue continues to incorporate tradition and innovation into every product, just as they have done for over 50 years, proudly manufacturing American-made products for people they care about, people like you. Don't let restricted spaces stop you from being protected. Take advantage of the Pelsue Fiber to the Home tent by calling 1-800-525-8460 or by visiting Pelsue.com.